Hi, warriors. This is Carla, and today I want to talk to you about something very important for cancer patients. It is estate planning. I know estate planning isn't something that is fun to talk about, but the reason I want to talk to you about it is this is what I do for a living, and I've been doing this for 25 years, and I understand how important it is for your peace of mind. I myself, when I was diagnosed with cancer, made sure, even though I know exactly what to do, I made sure everything was perfect and in place in case anything were to happen. And one of the things that people overlook quite a bit is that when you are sick or incapacitated in some way, you have to have a medical power of attorney for anyone in your family to make decisions for you. It doesn't matter if you're married or you have a son or a daughter or a parent. Once a person is over 18 years old, you cannot make any medical decisions for them legally without having a medical power of attorney. So that is one of the things that we're going to discuss is getting a medical power of attorney in place. The other thing that's very important is if you become incapacitated in some way and someone has to make your financial decisions for you, say, sell a house or go to the bank and pay bills, anything like that, unless you have a financial power of attorney, once again, there, your family's hands are completely tied. They have to go and they have to hire an attorney, pay thousands of dollars to become your guardian. And if there isn't anyone that can do it, or the courts don't think that they're suitable to be your guardian, then the state that you live in can appoint themselves as your guardian. They appoint a stranger to take care of you and decide where you're going to be hospitalized or if you're going into a nursing home or not, your medical decisions, everything. So you really can't take chances like that. And I think part of the problem is just a lot of people don't know that they need to do this. And I don't want to bash attorneys. I'm not an attorney. I'm a document preparation service licensed by the state of Nevada. So I can't give you any legal advice, but I'm giving you some suggestions based on my 25 years of experience. Here is my license. Okay, so I have a license in the state of Nevada to be able to create documents such as medical powers of attorney, living trusts, financial power of attorney, will, um, limited liability companies, and in the next few minutes, I will be speaking on all those different subjects for you. So, as I was saying, you need to have these documents in writing. It's not a given just because somebody's related to you, even if you're married, that they can legally make decisions without a document that is a legal binding document so that they have the ability to speak with doctors or banks or any type of facility like that. So that's one thing. Then the other one is the family living trust. If you own anything at all, like a house or a bank account, brokerage account, vehicles, any type of real estate at all, rental properties, you have to realize that if you pass away, all your items will not go directly to your beneficiaries right away. Okay, first, those items, unless of course they're in a trust, they have to go through a process called probate. And probate can take anywhere from 9 months to years and years to complete. And during that time, not only is your family already suffering, but your family's put through all these legal bills and they don't have any control. They can't do anything until the judge decides to transfer the assets to the beneficiaries. And the reason it takes so long is because in probate, the creditors come first. So, having cancer, a lot of times we run up some huge bills. And what'll happen is that everything you have will go to the creditors first, and then the judge will decide how they want to distribute the rest of what's left to the beneficiaries. Also, a judge has the power to change your will. So if you decide that you don't want to leave something to one of your kids, for example, too bad. The judge may decide, no, that wasn't the right thing to do in this particular state. We want to make sure that the kids get a little bit of something. It just depends on the laws on the particular state that you live in. So, one of the things that you need to realize is that attorneys don't necessarily want you to have a trust. There's a lot of great attorneys out there, but when you pass away, if you only have a regular will, then they're going to make anywhere from 5 to 10% of the total value of your estate. Imagine how much money that is for your family to lose just because you didn't have a family trust. A family trust goes to the beneficiaries without having to hire an attorney, without having to go to court. So attorneys would rather say, hey, do you want to buy a will for $100? And that way, when you pass away, their name is on the will. And then they're the ones that are going to take your estate through probate, and they will make that fee. And like I said, it varies from state to state, but it's not necessary if you have a trust. If you have a properly funded trust, then everything will be distributed by someone that you appoint to be in charge, someone in your family or a friend or even a trust company or a bank. And then it'll go to them without having to pay large attorney fees or anything like that. Okay? So I really want you to think about this, and I'm going to show you some videos right now on trusts, and I'm going to give you some more examples, okay? Okay, hang in there. So a complete living trust package at an attorney's office will normally cost anywhere from $800 to $5,000. We normally charge, as a document preparation service, we charge $650 for the full package, including your trust, your will, your medical, your financial, your instructions. I will ship it out to you, and then you just take it to a notary, and I will help you to make sure that your trust gets funded correctly. We can do trusts anywhere in the United States except the state of Louisiana. So sign up right away, and we will get going on this. I really want you to have this for your peace of mind. So I'm giving my warriors a special deal. Normally, like I said, we charge $650 for the full package. I am going to charge you only $500 for the whole thing, and there are some payment plans, so please do not hesitate to take this offer. It's for limited time only, and I will take good care of you and make sure that everything that you need is detailed, okay? All right, hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.